Hello traders, Bank Nifty future 1 minute chart. Daily basis automatically you will receive calls in this chart. Today October 21 Friday, market a positive start, gap up opening, 40,400 is the trading range. Whenever your trend changes, whenever a breakout happen, you will receive call in live market automatically. For example, today the first call generated after 1:30 p.m. Previous day buying momentum was continued up to today afternoon market. So morning market was fully in a bullish momentum, bullish trend. But in afternoon market after 1:30 p.m. during this time the market followed a downside breakout, sell call generated. So red color candle opened to intimate that the trend is changed to a new trend. Due to its a sell trend, red color candle. If it's a buy trend, a green color candle will open. From open point, the candle color fixed. You will get entry point, target 1 and 2, stop loss in live market. So now sell call generated at 40,866. Our first target is 764, second target 662. So first target will be like more than 100 points, second target will be like more than 204 point. So like this on daily basis in intraday market, it will analyze the candlestick movement. Whenever a breakout came means it will provide the call. Only after the breakout happens, the trend will change, the new candle color will open and you will get entry, target, stop loss like you watched the video right now. Within 30 minutes of the sell call generated, market finally break out the first target range and market momentum was fully in bearish momentum after 3 p.m. also. So up to 3 p.m. market, the market was in bearish momentum. The second target range also reached during that time. If you want to subscribe for this chart, if you want this chart means just send me a hi message in WhatsApp. I will provide you the details. If you feel like it, you can subscribe for it. Thank you.